In this video, I'll show you how to apply Flipkart coupons to pay YouTube Premium. Flipkart coupons cannot be directly used to pay for YouTube Premium, as Flipkart and YouTube are separate platforms with different payment systems. However, if you have a Flipkart coupon, you can use it in the following ways to directly subscribe to YouTube Premium. Visit the Flipkart website, search for Google Play gift cards. Use your Flipkart coupon during the checkout to purchase a Google Play gift card at a discount. After purchasing, you will receive the Google Play gift card code via email. Open the Google Play Store app and redeem the gift card, and the amount will be added to your Google Play balance. Now, all you have to do is sign into your Google account, go to Purchases and Memberships, and choose YouTube Premium plan that you want. Pay for the subscription from your balance, and confirm the purchase. Your YouTube Premium subscription will be activated. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.